Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove keyboard sounds from mic in OBS. So let's go to OBS first. Then you have to click on this mic option. Right click on this and you'll find here advanced audio properties. Click on this and then you can see here monitor off. You have to drop down menu and choose monitor only. This one too, choose monitor. After that, you have to click on three dot again and choose filters. Now click on this plus sign and choose noise suppression. Click on noise suppression and click on OK again, and you can change this noise suppression to this one, RN noise good quality, more CPU usage, this one. Click on again this plus icon and you'll find here noise gate. Click on noise gate and you can click on OK. You can make this less or more, that's up to you. You can try this one. Okay, so after that you have to click on apply, then click on OK. This is how you can do this. After that, your I hope that your keyboard sound will be removed from mic. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.